Welcome back to the McCall's Kitchen for another Mother's Day special. My name is Elisha, I'm from Fiorella Bake Shop, and we are here to decorate a beautiful cupcake cake together. This one is for Mother's Day, so any mom or mother figure in your life that you want to spoil with some sweets. We've got some McCalls Sprinkles with us, as well as some fresh fruit and florals, and of course our McCalls ButterCream, which we are going to be coloring. Make sure you guys do subscribe to our YouTube channel. We have lots of fun content coming, and let's get started on decorating this beautiful platter right here. So I've got my icing ready to go. I actually used the McCall's Royal Blue and Leaf Green to create this really nice turquoise minty green blue that I was going for. And the thing about the cupcakes is you could either bake your own or you could use a pre-made mix, whatever you're comfortable with. We're gonna start off by gluing them to our board with some buttercream. So I like to do that by just putting a small amount of buttercream on the bottom and then securing it onto the board. Once you pop this into the fridge, it will stick on nice and good. For this platter, I am using a 10-inch baseboard, and I used my Cricut to cut out this nice Mother's Day lettering, but you could also just write it on with a marker, or you can use stickers to spell it out. So all of them got the buttercream on it, and now we're just gonna go in and pipe. You can use any type of technique. I always love to go for rosettes. I feel like they look so nice and pretty. So how I achieve those are I start in the middle, I lift up, and then I start to circle around. Now, this is optional, but you can go in and add little stars to the corners of the cupcakes just to create a more seamless flow and fill in some of the gaps. All right, how good does that look already? Now it's time for my favorite part. We're gonna be decorating. So you can use any kinds of toppings that you have at home, cookies, sprinkles, chocolates, even just fresh fruit or florals that have been cleaned. I'm gonna be using a combination of everything to show you guys how you can use a little bit of everything to bring this all together. And you always wanna start with your biggest topping first. So in that case, it would be the florals. So once you start with your big topping, then you can fill in the gaps with smaller ones. So always work biggest to smallest. Now I'm gonna go in and add some of my berries. You can use blueberries, blackberries. I love raspberries because one, they match the color scheme, and they're always so nice and sweet too. Now I'm just gonna go in and I'm gonna add some sugar florals here. So I'm just gonna use a scissor to cut it off. Also gonna add some chocolates to this to give it a touch of gold. And now we can go in and add some of our sprinkles. So I'm gonna add some green to give this a really nice spring touch. And then lastly, a touch of gold foil. This is the McCall's loose leaf gold foil. And I'm just gonna use a paintbrush to add that. All right, I absolutely love how this came together. We hope you enjoyed watching our Mother's Day cupcake cake come together. I absolutely loved all the colors, the sprinkles, the toppings that we used today, and a lot of them you can grab at McCall's, as well as the buttercream and gel colors. This was really easy to make. I want to see you all try it at home, and if you do, make sure to tag myself at Fiorella Bake Shop and McCall's. We want to see all your beautiful creations, and stay tuned because there's so many more videos coming just like this one with lots of summer flavors and colors, and we want to make sure that you subscribe so that you see them first. Wishing everybody a happy Mother's Day, and we'll see you back very soon.